Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. But today we are packing for my Lake George vacation because it is tomorrow. Yes, I know I waited till last minute again to pack, but we've been super busy and I couldn't pack. I really don't need that many clothes, so this bag is literally going to be the perfect size because I don't need anything. So this is supposed to be like mid 80s, 90s, the highest when we're in Lake George. Some rain, so we're gonna pack a couple like short sleeve stuff with shorts, and then also some options that have longer just when it gets cold, because I know from experience it gets cold in the morning. So I literally just started throwing clothes everywhere. Don't mind the FaceTime on, FaceTime window well. I honestly have no idea what the heck to bring because I am there for such like a short amount of time. And I have this outfit that I will show you in a second, but that will be for going there. For the outfit tomorrow, so basically the drive there and then just like the rest of the day, I have this green white fox shirt. It's super cute. And then basically just these really simple black Lululemon shorts. So I'm still planning out more outfits, but I have this one for like if my family goes out to dinner, and apparently Noelle is bringing a red floral dress, so we're gonna be matching. This is what it looks like. I got it from Hollister a couple years back. It's really cute. And then to go with that, I have Nike Pros, obviously, because who is not wearing these underdresses? If you don't, you are literally insane. For pajamas, I'm probably gonna get another pair of shorts, but I have these red ones from Hollister. These are like really old. I have no idea when I got them, but I've had them for so long now, and they do the job every time. So these are my sleep shorts. For sleep shirts, I literally only wear two, and it is my boyfriend's sleep shirt that he gave me. I'm bringing a pair of my Lululemon leggings with me because who doesn't need a pair of leggings? Same concept as that. I'm bringing my white fox hoodie. This is just like a heather gray color and pink one. I love this one. It's so comfortable and so cute. Then literally the easiest part of planning things are bathing suits. So I'm going to show the two that I'm bringing. I don't need that many because all we're probably going to go into is the pool. So I have these black ribbed bottoms. And then to go with that, I have a black triangle bathing suit. And then I have this green one. So just green ribbed bottoms. And then this one is just more like a sports bra look. I just finally got the last of everything, but we have another pair of sleep shorts with these are my Victoria's Secret ones. I'm not bringing the top, but these are the bottoms and they go perfectly fine with the gray shirt I have. For Monday's outfit, we have two options for shirts, one pair of pants. I'm bringing my black Hollister jean shorts, and then for shirts, I really want to wear this one for the rest of the day, but I know that it might possibly get uncomfortable, so we're gonna bring a second option. And this one I absolutely love. This is my Morgan Wallen Lies shirt, and I think it'll go perfect with the black shorts. I just finished putting away all like the undergarments. Now we gotta work through this giant massive pile of clothes. So now I have everything folded in little piles and they are ready to go in the suitcase. Oh, the suitcase is all packed. That was genuinely more easier than I thought because literally I have sweatshirt leggings here, my pajamas right here, outfits for Monday are here, and then dress and Nike Pros just in case, underwear, bra, shorts, socks, bathing suits are right there. Okay, so we finished packing what was in my suitcase. Now we're on to toiletries / makeup, and we got two cute little bags for that. I'm not gonna fully pack all of my toiletries, like my toothbrush, my toothpaste, hairbrush, basic things like that, until tomorrow, the day of, only because I need to use them. Okay, so for makeup, y'all are gonna see a ton of my Holy Grail products because these are things I use on the daily and now have restocks for, so I'll give you a good little haul of the makeup I love too. So first, obviously, my beautiful Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This thing, I don't have just one. I don't have just two. I got 3 bottles. I bought the duo on their website because I'm traveling and you can't bring the full size. So look at that, the cute little mini. I need this product every day, all day. Love her. So we're bringing the Rhode Glazing Milk. This is another product that saves your face. Love. She's beautiful. She's stunning. Another 2 more products I'm bringing that I already have restocks for is my Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum And then the Ordinary Niacinamide one. For moisturizer, I just bought another one, but I'm gonna save this one. But this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. We're bringing her favorite moisturizer of all time. Gonna bring my Neutrogena sunscreen because this is a great and amazing sunscreen. I'm gonna bring my Rhode blush in the shade Sprinkle. Such a beautiful and stunning color. We are gonna bring my eyelash curler, my Rhode Lippy, and then I'm probably also gonna bring my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is the best mascara ever. My other favorite one is the Lash Next Door by Brooklyn Bailey. That is an amazing mascara. So that's all the makeup products in the bag. Just know this is my holy grail routine right here, and y'all need to go try out every single product because you will love me and you will thank me after. So go try them out. And last but not least, we have my carry-on, my backpack. I really don't need too much in here because we're pretty much going to be out, but I still want to bring a good few things. So I'm bringing my laptop. It's not in here, but this is the case that I have for it. It's from Amazon. I'm going to be bringing my iPad, and it comes in my Apple Pencil. I'm going to be bringing the book I'm currently reading, which is The Housemaid is Watching. This is the third book of the series, and safe to say I am in love. I have read this book in 3-4 days, and I'm almost halfway done. I love that book so much. And I'm also going to be bringing my planner because I love planning things literally every single day. It doesn't matter if I'm in school. It doesn't matter where I am. My baby. I'm going to also be bringing my notebook. This notebook, I literally just write anything for lists that I need, things I want, that kind of stuff. My summer bucket list. This is that notebook. And then also my chargers, but they're on my wall. I'm gonna need my wallet, obviously, and look how adorable and pretty she is. I'll be bringing my pencil case because this has all the goods in it for my notebook and my planner, which is just my favorite pens of all time. Some highlight, that's a pencil, so some pencils, and then some highlighters. And that's basically all for my carry-on. I make coffee for the first time ever, and I made it so freaking good. If you want the recipe, I will make it in the next video. That's basically, as you can see, my suitcase is right there. All the other things are packed and tucked away, while other things are waiting to be packed till tomorrow because I'm using them and they can't be packed. Look at my beautiful flowers back there that my boyfriend got me. They're so gorgeous. I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's kind of like a slower video, not as fun as like a week in my life, but Noelle and I will have some good content coming your way. So make sure you follow my TikTok. I'll put it right here. It is Not Samantha Lily on TikTok, and make sure you go follow Noelle's. I'm not sure exactly what hers is, but I will make sure to put it in the description box. But I hope you all have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you in the next one. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Love you. Bye. Mwah.